These are the probability concepts. Probability essentially means chance of happening of an event. It is between 0 and 1, and sum of possibilities of all the events are equal to 1. These are the relevant formulas in probability. For an independent event, probability of A given B is equal to probability of A. That is, what is the chance that a coin toss will result in heads given that the earlier result was tails, is equal to the chance of the coin toss being heads, that is half, since it has got nothing to do with what happened earlier. The probability for a two event happening can be well understood by the help of a Venn diagram. This is the probability of an event A happening. This is the probability of an event B only happening. This is the probability of both the events happening simultaneously, that is B, A, B, which is known as joint probability. The expected value of the events given probability is calculated by using this formula. The variance is used by calculating this formula. The covariance is the joint from x and y for two variables is this. Just like variance calculates the variation of the variable within itself, this calculates variation with respect to another variable. This can be also written as this. Correlation is essentially covariance divided by the variance between the two variables, and it is between 0 and -1 and 1. Absolute value between 0 and 1. For a portfolio with weights I is equal to the weight of the x upon weight of the upon total portfolio is equal to sigma of weight into expected return, and sigma square is equal to, that is variance, is equal to this formula. Now Bayes formula is this, which is basically given the new information, what is the updated probability of the event happening. There are two more concepts, which is combination and permutation. Permutation contains uses a combination with ordering, that is, if out of 5 3 places are to be filled, then it will be a combination, but arrangement of those 3 places is to be calculated, then it will be permutation, and this formula will be used. For a tree diagram, the probability is calculated by taking the last number into probability of this plus probability of this into this. Then we'll get 2 into 40% plus 3 into 60%. This will be replaced at this node. Then the probability of this node happening is 60%. That will come here. Plus similar thing for this node. This will be the expectation from this tree. Another related concept is odds. So given that there is a probability of an event happening 8, then the probability of that event not happening is 7 by 8. The odds in favor of the event happening will be 1 upon 8 by 7 upon 8, that is event happening and event not happening. Odds against will be 7 by 8 upon 1 by 8, that is 7.